So, I've just walked around this headland, so this is kind of like video number 2, so I'm doing these in bite-sized chunks, so you don't have to watch them all in one hit. If you would have carried on walking around the headland from the end of video 1, you'd end up here. I'm just going to spin you around and show you what's around. Oh, that looks very, very, very nice. I like what they've done here, and I remember this now. I went swimming here. They've done this little like put some rocks in to break the water coming in too strong. And I remember sunbathing on this beach. Yeah, very nice. Memories are coming back now. I know where I am. Flipping heck. Let's spin you around. Okay, so this is a continuation of video number 1. I'm going to break these videos up into like 20-minute sections rather than do one massive long one. So just behind me is the headland walk. So the first video concluded at the top of this headland. I stopped to cut across and ended up here. And we're pretty much back at the start of the second video walk. So let's put have a nose and see what's around here. Oh, I do like this spinny thing on my new gimbal. Right, I've actually checked out my hotel. So I've got this bag to lug around with me all day today. Unless I can find a bar to drop it off with and leave it. Right. Let's go for the wonder. Hola.
Feliz vacaciones.
Yeah, you sell it.
Nice holiday.
Thank you. Yeah, I remember that beach now. Flipping heck. Memories are coming flooding back. Yeah, so if you haven't watched video 1, I was talking about last time I was here, which would have been about 2004, 2005-ish. So if you want to check out the first video, I'll number them all 1, 2 and 3 to make it nice and easy. So we're just going to go inland now and see what we can find. Galleon Playa. So many dive centres here now, it's insane. These guys are talking about Mexico, they're talking about the cenotes, they're divers. Kids area. Just don't get much cheaper than that, does it? That's insanely cheap. Upstairs as well. Bit of background music going on, so I'll natter over this a little bit because I don't want YouTube to give me any copyright infringements. Oh, it's gone now. Flipping heck, €4 for a towel. That's cheap. My goodness. Just cross over, see the other side, see what's on this side. Hotel Grand Costa Teguise Playa. Just have a quick nose at these shops and we'll go around and cross back over on the other side when it gets busy again. Nothing much here? No, not a lot here. I will see. We'll have a walk through. Who knows? The bar here. Not open. Live music, the venue. They'll open up later on, won't they? When it gets a bit darker. And folk come out after dinner. All you can eat buffet, adults $14.95 and kids $6.95. Let's whiz back over to the other side. Let's take a cyclist out. Lanzarote Beach Hotel, what's there? That's an old Volvo. Look at that white car. Look at that. You always find a bored husband sat at the entrance of these shops, don't you? Well, when the missus is off doing the shopping, he looks like he just wants to pull his eyes out. Across the road is all being renovated. All the shops are empty, apart from one, the pharmacy. I'm going to come back on myself and walk down this bit. I'm going to carry on up this path here. Walk here. Have a quick look on this side. We're going to talk over this bit because we've got a bit of music going on, and I don't want YouTube giving me an issue. So I'm just going to natter over it for a little minute, just talk a load of rubbish for a second, just till we get past it. There we go. Where I just come from. Just been around that little centre there. I'll cross back over where the spar is and keep going. Tex-Mex. Oh, let's use the zebra crosser this time, Sean. That's a smarter move, isn't it? Better get him run over. We'll go left first. Let's see what's there. Another All Sun hotel. I've been in a few of those over the last week or two. Right, okay, that's it for here. So let's do the magic. Spin round. Hey, I like this new gimbal. Right, going to conclude the filming here of this one. So this is video number 2. I'm just going to break these up into 20-minute sections and just whiz up and down all these streets, have a look at the bars and the restaurants. If you like this kind of stuff, give us a thumbs up. Why not subscribe? It's completely free. Supports my little channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching.